Yes, now, bless now, people. Don't forget the rest now. There's ROCKSTEADY, King of the Pit TV, jamming out to Boxcar Racer, the album by the band Boxcar Racer. This one's entitled Cat Like Thief, track 5 of 13. Let's jump in at a healthy 4 minutes 20. It's coming 2 days to 4:20 right now, so we're 2 days early, but let's jump in. But if you go to any of them 420 events, there's, you know, enough in England. When it goes 420, everyone goes to the park and starts smoking weed or something. I mean, maybe if you're just casually smoking a bifter, that's all right. But even though it is illegal, and I'm not here to, you know, uphold the law and whatnot. I'm just saying, like, the bottom line is, if you bait, you bait. But if you got a substantial amount of you and stuff, I swear them places are just gonna be full of undercover coppers, man. I think it's perfect for intel, you know. 420 blaze it. Bruh, and they got Tim Armstrong on the track. They got Tim Time Bomb. I didn't expect him on.
To get knocked back down. I said just to get knocked all around. I wanna say something but you're out of town. I don't wanna have another showdown. I said stand up, hey, yo, let's make it clear. Follow you home, no, you were not there. You saw me coming, jump, you disappear. Oh no, everything seems so clear. You think you seen it here all along. Coming now, one by one, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Let's do some more. Call me back when word is that she's gone. Cat like thief, she stole air from my lungs. Leave me standing on this lonely grave. I dug it out in case she turns away. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't leave her, don't leave her, don't leave her. Don't Let's do some more.
That was a melancholy tune, and that twinkling on the guitar there, in that particular fashion, is something I do associate with Blink-182. You know, definitely whenever I hear it, anywhere, that high-end, free string, broken chord, I always associate it with Blink-182. You know, definitely part of this individual's writing. You know, Book of Trinkets. That was an alright tune. It was a shock to hear Mr. Tim Timebomb there. Quite a melancholy tune. I can see why people would really like that one. You know, catch you at the right time. It's the right vibe, you know. We've got And I coming up next, which is going to be track number 6 of 13. Hold on tight.